which is very exciting because I've been wanting to keep making more of these kinds of videos for a really long time now, and I think I'm finally going to get the chance to do that. So for this video, I'm driving into Central Oregon to go meet up with my friends Adam and Shannon, and tomorrow morning we're going to wake up super early to try to go climb up and ski South Sister, which is Oregon's third highest mountain.
And the road is snowy, which is a common theme for us. This could be him. This is him.
Let's go. Garrett pulls up.
Hi. It doesn't go.
Garrett, we were taking a vlog.
Okay, me too.
Just a little extra something to get invigorated in the morning. Not much of a coffee guy, so had to find a more Vermont alternative. Cheers! Oh, yes.
We're probably about halfway up right now. The snow is a little bit tricky. It hasn't really softened yet, and we're in a steep section, so Adam and Shannon took off their skis and they're boot packing up. I kind of went around and kept my skins on, but we're making okay time, not going super fast. It's a super nice day though. It's really fun just being out here.
Yeah, I mean, I heard it's burrito time, so.
It's burrito time. His is like 90% beans. He'll be farting all day. Mine is the super burrito.
I was already farting, so.
One last stop before the top.
Shannon's already at the top.
No, Shannon is way up there on the right, just so much faster than us.
Woo!
Nice job, Shannon.
Final push.
We are in the volcano crater now, and my nose is running. But we only have about 150 more feet to the actual summit. Then we're gonna get to do a hopefully very fun 5,000 vertical foot ski back down to the car. Drop. We just finished with the main part of the descent. I'm very tired and sweaty. We'll do the last little bit of skiing through the trees. Should be pretty fun.
We are so close.
On the way home now. That was a very long day. It took longer than we expected, and very exhausting. But we did it. We summited. We skied all the way down to the car. It was actually really good snow. Probably some of the best spring skiing I've ever done. So all in all, a very good day. Great experience on South Sister. But I'm really tired.